In the garden, tools we use. Each has a job, each we choose. A spade is strong, it digs the ground, makes neat holes, nice and round. A rake is used to clean the leaves, pulls them in tidy heaps. A watering can gives water to all. It helps the plants grow big and tall. A trowel is small, it digs just right. For little plants, it's clean and light. Garden gloves protect our hands from sharp things, bugs, and tiny sands. A wheelbarrow carries soil and weeds. It helps us move the heavy seeds. Walk, don't run when tools you hold. Use them gently, be safe and bold. Wear your gloves and handle with care. Stay safe when working there. When work is done, keep tools away. In their place, that's where they stay. Hope you enjoyed the poem. Do learn it and practice it in your classrooms.